Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the PIX-LINK LV AX19 extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the PIX-LINK LV AX19 into a wall outlet within 6 to 10 feet, 2 to 3 meters, of your router. After plugging in the extender, the power LED will turn on. The LEDs may blink while the device starts. Wait 60 to 90 seconds until the power LED becomes solid. Locate the WPS button on your router. The WPS button is usually found on the back of the router, on the side panel, or near the Ethernet ports. Press the router's WPS button once. The WPS light begins blinking. The router enters WPS pairing mode and waits for a compatible device. Most routers keep WPS active for approximately 2 minutes. You must press the extender's WPS button during this period. Within 2 minutes of activating WPS on the router, press the WPS button on the PIX-LINK LV AX19. Hold it for about 1 second, then release. The extender also enters WPS pairing mode. During this process, it automatically requests the router's wireless settings and securely exchanges encryption keys. The WPS pairing process usually takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. During this time, the WPS or signal LED on the extender may blink. The router's WPS light may also continue flashing. Once the pairing is complete, the extender's signal LED becomes solid. The router stops blinking its WPS light. The extender has successfully connected to your router. Unplug the extender from the current outlet. Move it to a location between the router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network. Enter the same Wi-Fi password as your router. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.